Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. This is an update video on AMC, the stock. If you guys are new to the channel, obviously you can tell by my name, I also talk about cryptocurrencies, but I'm a big supporter of the AMC movement. So feel free to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and feel free to share this video if you think that others will also find it to have some useful, valuable information. Please keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion, it's my own research, and I encourage you to go do your own research. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the charts first. Just taking a look at this, guys. I mean, yesterday and today was really setting up as an opportunity to really try and make a strong, significant move. And we could see that there was some attempts to do this, although overall volume is still really low. So it's kind of surprising to see so low of volume, but the volatility still being pretty prevalent right here. And so what we could see from this was yesterday it did break above our level of resistance and had a little bit of a pullback, ended up closing down in the day, fitting basically right in line in the center. And then for today, what's even crazier, and I haven't moved this line or anything, so it closed out almost dead in the center, to the very precision point of where it needs to choose what direction that it's going to go to. So here we are in the aftermarket, post-market, and it is at $56.82. And that is, I think that probably is right in the very center. So what is going to happen tomorrow? It's going to need to make some kind of a decision here. We could have some alternatives. One of the things that we could take a look at is if we reestablish our top level and our bottom level resistance and support. So I'm going to go ahead and use, just for this example, I'm going to change it to the tops of the wicks. I wanted to try and avoid that. The reason being is that those are kind of short time frame intervals, and I wanted something more substantiated, so the body of the wick would give it a little bit more of a justification. Okay, so in this kind of an instance here, this would extend out our time frame just a tad and would put that at approximately, would be like around July 7th. Now, this is actually really interesting. I didn't even notice this until I just now moved everything over. So July 7th could coincide with something else that's very important. Let's go ahead and move on over towards that. So AMC Entertainment was added to the New York Stock Exchange Threshold Securities List on Friday, June 25th. Section 203(b)(3) states that clearinghouses must close the failure to deliver dates, that is, if they persist on the 13 consecutive trading days. So because AMC made it to the list on the 25th, then this means the start of these consecutive failure to delivers occurred on Friday the 18th. If failure to deliver continues to happen up until the 7th of July, then they will be forced to close these positions. So that July 7th actually coincides really well with a key decisive moment from this new repositioned formation using the tops of the wick and the bottom of the wicks, right? No matter what happens, it all plays in our favor. It's a win-win situation for retail investors. If hedge funds continue to manipulate the market and generate failure to delivers, I don't know why that's such a tongue twister for me, then they'll be obligated by law to cover the millions of dollars and shares they've been failing to process. Number two, on the other hand, if shorts begin to properly exercise contracts, then we will begin to see momentum pick up rather quickly from executed trades. This too can create several gamma squeezes due to the amount of volume being pumped into the market. So check this out, guys. This is a little bit of an older article, but it's been circulating more recently. One of the big takeaways from this is the price target of around $70. At exactly $70, their collateral exceeds $2.4 billion. It is no effing coincidence that hedges fiercely defended $70 and tried to push us below this point at any cost. We barely passed $70 for a reason, because if apes push this well above $70, which is not really far away, hedges get into serious trouble and will start covering their short positions. So, as we've been seeing as of recently, trying to break above $60 has been proving to be quite difficult, and there seems to be some massive shenanigans. Just as we tap the $60 range, it all of a sudden starts tanking a whole bunch, but we keep retesting it. This is all about perseverance, guys. Holding on. New rules, new regulations are going through, and the time is getting harder and harder for these hedge funds to continue to extend these things out. They try to find other new avenues, and guess what? The public keeps discussing these things, making it totally aware for everyone what is going on, and then those options are being pulled away from them. So this is a waiting game, right? Number one golden rule of investing, never invest more than what you're willing to lose, guys. Anything could technically happen with all of this. And also don't put yourself in a position where you're investing so much that you're at risk of not being able to pay your rent or something else. And you keep thinking that like, oh, it's going to do it tomorrow. Or you think, oh, it's for sure going to do something on July 7th. It's not a for sure thing. These are probability factors. That's the whole point of technical analysis, is looking at higher probability versus lower probability. So as it is right now, I'm going to go ahead and maintain this chart position because we didn't see it. I think there is a strong chance we could still see some high level volatility tomorrow, really pushing up hopefully the price upwards. But we also have the upcoming weekend, the holiday. We got 4th of July weekend coming up, right? Markets will still be open in other parts of the world, just less trading volume during those days. And I think that July 7th, with everything else that we just saw, especially over here with that Section 203(b)(3), I think that we could see some high-level movements. So, guys, I do have referral links in the description. If you want to earn some free cryptocurrency or free stocks, it's free money for you. Feel free to check those out. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and share this video on social media. Let me know in the comments and let everybody else in the comments know how you're feeling about AMC, what you think about this potential July 7th position, or any other thoughts that you may have. Sorry, I got something in my throat. Thank you guys so much for being here, being a part of this community, and I'll see you in the next episode.